আশা করি ভালো আছো। আজকে শিখবো আমরা মানি ডাজ নট ব্রিং হ্যাপিনেস। টাকাই সকল মূলে সুখ নয়। ওয়ান্স there lived a happy cobbler who passed his days in working and singing from morning till night. A rich neighbor of his was a banker who one day said to him, "How much a year do you earn?" The cobbler laughed and said, "How much a year, sir? I never reckoned in that way, living as I do from hand to mouth. Each day somehow brings a smell and I am happy." The banker said, "I have resolved to place you above the fear of want. Take these £1,000, preserve them carefully and use them in time of need." The cobbler, who had never seen so much money at a time in his life before, handed home and bound his treasure in the urn, but all bearing his happiness with it too, because at night he could not enjoy a sound nap. He would remain alert the whole night. He would think of the money. Thus he lost his sleep and happiness. One day he went to the banker and told him that his money had snatched away his sleep. So he told the banker to take his money back, and finally, the cobbler returned the money to the banker. Again, he was able to enjoy sound sleep and mental peace and happiness. Thus, provide that true happiness lays in contentment. এই গল্পটি থেকে আমরা বুঝলাম যে টাকা সুখ আনে না, টাকার কারণে অনেক সময় সমস্যাও হতে হয়। তাহলে ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লাগে আর নতুন নতুন স্টোরি পাওয়ার জন্য চ্যানেলটিকে লাইক এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।